Anyway, I'm gonna go for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. This is Tropical Depression 2. And it's swirling off the coast of the Florida Panhandle.
America's plastic makers are investing billions in new technologies and creating Also, unnecessary travel is not recommended by any means. If you choose to travel.
Anyway, yeah, this is Tropical Depression 2. In fact, here's one of the surface lows. This is like one of the meso lows here. In fact, you could see the low right here. But if you look closely, you can see a bit of a northeast wind here. This is most likely your mid-level circulation, while your surface low is right here. But at least it's one of your low pressure centers. Sometimes you can get multiple areas of low pressure rotating around the parent low. In fact, let's zoom in a little bit. You do have a westerly wind here. Then the wind becomes easier. So this is your surface low right here. Yep. So this is your mid-level circulation right here. And here's your surface low. So they're not stacked. They're separated because of wind shear.
The only recommended travel is for evacuation purposes only. If you are extremely concerned for your safety, you may evacuate now. Stay tuned for further information. Our county. Those who are watching our telecast will be aware of the fact that the volcano is actually starting to erode. No, it just erupted. The volcano has just erupted, folks. We just took a massive shake to our studio. This has to be one of the worst eruptions I have ever seen. It looks awful. There's lava spewing out of the top and everything. We might have to cut our program short here, folks. Warning for Otero County, New Mexico. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey and the New Mexico National Guard. The Sierra Blanca volcano, located in Otero County, New Mexico, which was at high risk of erupting about an hour ago, is reported to have erupted. Massive shaking of the ground has been felt throughout Otero County as well. Massive fountains of lava, as well as large plumes of smoke have been seen from the volcano as a result of this powerful eruption. Ashfall is now imminent throughout the county, as well as the counties of Chavez, Gonana, Eddy, Lincoln, Sierra, and Socorro. evacuate immediately to preserve your life, along with bringing the necessary amount of food and water, as well as clothing and medical supplies. A battery-powered radio is also a good tool to use during this event. You must stay tuned to this station or other media outlets for updates on this life-threatening situation. Evacuate now.
Anyway, so yeah.
Block of volcano at 6:33 a.m. on Wednesday, December 9, 2012, has caused mass devastation in Otero County. Although the threat to residents of Otero County is over, the entire area was devastated, and residents are not allowed to return home. Massive piles of ash have been dropped from the sky due to the aftermath of the eruption. Lava is also still in the area, melting whatever is left. Almost everything in the county has been completely decimated from existence. No casualties have been reported at this time. A few injuries from evacuating were reported, but are not said to be fatal. Once again, the entire county...
There we go. So, as you can see, there's a broad area of low pressure here. That's your surface low right there. So yeah, that's your tropical depression. That's tropical depression 2. So now let's look at your severe weather outlook. Going from days 0 through 7. So let's look at day 1, which is going to be today. No thunderstorms expected for New York. I mean, there is a chance of some severe weather here in northern Texas. You have wind and hail threat, and oh, look at that, a 5% tornado risk. That's a little impressive. Right now, okay, we have a tornado warning in Canada. Just a generalized tornado warning. As the Doppler radar continues to indicate strong rotation of a thunderstorm 10 miles southwest of Ormiston, the thunderstorm is moving northeast at 20 kilometers per hour, about 15 miles an hour. There are thunderstorms in the Oklahoma City area. Though nothing severe in Oklahoma City itself at the moment, but there's a chance this could become severe. There are a couple of warnings right now in Oklahoma. Yeah, there's actually some severe warnings up here, even though this is your target area. There's actually only one severe thunderstorm warning. Most of your warnings, most of your severe weather is actually over Abilene, which is right about here. Abilene is actually in the slight risk area, so that's Abilene. There's actually a tornado warning right now for Lauders, Texas. Or Luders. Tornado warning. just north of Abilene. Doesn't look like a tornado's on the ground. There was some rotation. It's more of a mesoscale convective complex. Yep, there is. In fact, there's an area of enhanced rotation aloft around just northwest of Aspermont, Texas. There's some very strong winds currently heading towards just south of Waters, just north of Hawley, Texas. Hawley. So there's severe weather right now. One tornado warning. That's actually the only tornado warning in the United States. There's also a tornado warning in Canada for that supercell. There's only two supercells, two tornado warnings right now. The cell in Oklahoma City is producing hail. We got reports of half-inch hail just north of Oklahoma City right now. Yeah, there's been a report of half-inch hail, and correlation coefficient is indeed showing some drops associated with hail. The hail report is only 7 minutes ago, 6:22. So while there's going to be thunderstorms tomorrow in New York City, let's look at severe weather for tomorrow. Um, wow, enhanced. I'll be for wind and hail. 5% tornado risk tomorrow. Nice. Okay, predicted potential too low. Potential too low. Potential too low. Potential too low. Again, potential too low. That's good. You always want to see that. You never want to see. You never want to see these. Even low predictability. When they say predictability too low, like that's not so good. When potential too low is the best. I mean, we're in the middle of severe weather season, so thunderstorm season. So when it says potential too low in the summer, it means there's going to be thunderstorms, just nothing severe, nothing worthwhile. So anyway, I'm going to be ending the live stream, but before I do, we actually had a couple good earthquakes today at Vesuvius. This is a 2.3 and this is a 1.8, I believe. $22.54 and $22.55. Oops.